good boy. Okay, there's a few wasps around here, Max. Let's keep going, Nosy. He's a good boy. Oh, we'll go this way, Xena. Let's go. Good girl. Yay, what a good girl. Be nice. There's somebody there. Oh, come here. Oh, we're gonna go by over here. Good, good. There we go. Good girl, Xena. Good girl. There you go. We can calm down a little bit. Pretty face. There you go. Shake it off, baby. Good girl. Your turn, little Archie. Oh my goodness, look at this cutie. Got the little dog. Oh, so cute here. I've got these giant ones. Are those too giant for you? Can I hook this on? Oh, Archie, you're very cute. All right, Archie. Let's go. Good dogs. Little Archie. Anybody. There you go, buddy. Nice in the cool grass. Good boy. Here, Archie. There you go. Cute. Cute. Get that. Archie, ready? Get that. Oh, so cute. Come on, little fluff ball. Ew, good boy. Nice, nice. Can you sit? Oh, what a beautiful boy. This is Adeline. That's a good baby. Good girl. I've got this harness on totally wrong, I feel. But it doesn't matter. I guess it's working. You don't seem to be a flight risk anyways. Adeline and I just moseying along. Come on, Adeline. Let's go. None of our business. None of our business, Adeline. Let's go. Come on. Come on, that's a good girl. Here, Adeline. Let's go. Look, I got cookies. Oh, I got cookies. Nice, nice. You okay, Dakota? You got this backward sneezes? Yeah, have a cookie. Oh, there you go. Okay, you go. Oh, the good boy. Oh my gosh, he's cute. Sweet face. Come here, little one. Oh my gosh, look at that little face. She's the cutest. There you go. Here, baby. Here, baby. Oh, what a cutie. Cute. That's little Dakota. What a good dog. And this here is Keefer. Hello, Keefer. With your little short legs. Okay. Let's go in the yard, Keefer. You look like you might like to run around. Yes, a little bit. You a good boy? Yeah, he's a good boy. Let's go. Oh, good boy. Go, buddy, go. Super cute. Super cute. Keefer, come here. Oh my gosh. Oh, wipe out. Oh, the good dog. Oh, he's super cute. Hi. Oh my goodness. What a cutie. Yeah, what a cutie. Oh my gosh. Hi, buddy. Whoa, he's a good dog. Good. Well, let's keep running around. Come on, let's go. Shadow. Yeah, you're nice. Yeah, we're gonna figure this out. What? Do you want the muzzle on? Here we go. Yeah. Do you want the muzzle on? Do you want the muzzle, mister? I guess it goes like that. What a good boy. Yeah, you don't want that. I don't think you need it anyways. I don't think you need it. Good dog. Aw, you're sweet. You don't need a muzzle. Oh, good boy. All right, Shadow. Little cutie. Hey, let's just, well, we can go walk around the yard. Why not? What a good boy.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.